to legit reviews. Real products, real reviews. Today we're looking at a dash cam that records in 3 directions at once. This is the AZDOME M550 Max, a 3-channel dash cam that records the front of your car in 4K, the interior in 1080p, and the rear in 2.5K. It runs $120 and it actually comes with a 64 gig card in the box, which is a nice touch. Product links in the description are affiliate links. We earn a small commission at zero cost to you. So why 3 cameras? Most dash cams only record what's ahead of you. But if you get rear-ended or something happens inside your car, especially if you drive for Uber or Lyft, a single camera doesn't cut it. The M550 Max covers front, cabin, and rear, all recording simultaneously. The front shoots wide at 170 degrees in 4K. The interior camera has infrared night vision, and the rear camera is IP68 rated, meaning it's designed to mount outside your car and handle rain, dust, and whatever else the road throws at it. So this camera makes the most sense if you're a rideshare driver and want cabin footage, a daily commuter who wants front and rear protection, a parent with a new driver in the family, or someone who parks on the street and wants motion-triggered recording while you're away. If you just want basic front-only recording, this might be more than you need, but at $120 it's not much more than a single camera unit. The headline feature here is the triple recording setup, 4K up front, 2.5K in the back, and 1080p inside. AZDOME uses dual STARVIS imaging sensors, which are the same sensor family found in security cameras. They're designed to perform well in low light. You also get built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, so the app can show your route on a map alongside your footage. The 3.19-inch screen is decent for playback right on the device, and the magnetic mount means you can pop the camera off without messing with adhesive every time. And again, 64 gig card included. That's a $30 buy we don't have to buy separately. So what are real owners saying? Out of 351 reviews, this sits at 4.2 stars, with 67% giving it 5 stars. People consistently praise the video clarity, especially in low light. Installation comes up a lot as straightforward. One reviewer mentioned it took a while to route the cables, but was overall manageable. And AZDOME's customer support gets called out by name in several reviews. Someone named Melody apparently has fans. The overall vibe from positive reviews is that this delivers more camera coverage than you'd expect for the price. Alright, the negatives. And these are worth knowing. The most common complaint is an SD card reformat loop, where the camera periodically asks you to reformat the card. Multiple reviewers reported this. And it's concerning because if you don't catch it, the camera might not be recording when you need it. There are also 2 reports of the camera dying in hot climates. If you live somewhere with extreme summer heat, keep that in mind. The app gets dinged for being slow and unintuitive. And the screen is small enough that reading menus while driving is basically impossible. Finally, the rear camera is designed for external mounting. If you want it inside your rear window, we'll need to buy a separate mounting bracket. In the box, you get the main camera unit with built-in interior lens, the external rear camera with a 19-foot cable, the magnetic mount, a 64 gig card already installed, a 12-volt car charger, and a basic manual. Installation means running the rear cable from your windshield to the back of your car. That's the time-consuming part. Several reviewers recommend picking up plastic pry tools to tuck cables behind trim panels. One reviewer mentioned using an OBD power cable instead of the 12-volt adapter for a cleaner look, though a couple users had power cycling issues with that setup, so your mileage may vary. For parking protection, the M550 Max offers 3 modes: motion detection, collision-triggered recording, and time-lapse recording while parked. The catch is that full 24/7 parking mode requires a hard wiring kit, which is sold separately. There's also a fatigue driving reminder that alerts you during long drives, and the GPS logs your speed and location alongside the radio. Useful if you ever need to prove what happened in an incident. The rear camera being IP68 rated means it can live outside your car year-round without weather damage, which is a genuine advantage over cameras that only work behind glass. At $120, the M550 Max competes well. A decent single camera dash cam runs $60 to $80, no rear, no cabin coverage. Other 3-channel systems with similar specs typically cost $150 to $200, and a lot of them don't include a memory card. Getting 4K front, 2.5K rear, interior recording, GPS, Wi-Fi, and a 64 gig card all in one box at $120 is genuinely competitive. The question is whether the SD card and reliability issues we mentioned are deal breakers for you personally. So here's the bottom line. If you want 3-camera coverage and don't want to spend north of $150, the AZDOME M550 Max is a strong contender, especially with the included card, magnetic mount, and IP68 rear camera. It delivers where it matters, video quality and coverage. But be honest with yourself about the negatives. If you live in a hot climate or you want something you can install and literally never think about again, the SD card and heat issues might frustrate you. For rideshare drivers and families who want cabin footage, it's worth serious consideration. We give it 4 out of 5, good product room to improve on reliability. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe, it really helps the channel. Drop a comment and tell us what dashcam you're running right now. Product link is in the description with all the specs. See you next time.